Hill, doing the 120C recap. Been flying them for about 6 weeks, haven't had any cells die yet, seem to be performing very well. There'll be some thoughts at the end of the video. Anyway, we'll get to flying. Let's get to it then. Punching out. And couldn't hit minimum volts. We're flying today on the Alien, which has only got the 2306 2400 Titan motors on it. We'll punch out here. Still didn't hit minimum volts. So I guess it handles a fairly decent punch out. I'm sort of limited in the amount of space I got to fly in. It's a bit of a suburban park, but we'll do what we can. As I said at the start of the video, the 120C pack has held up very well. We've got heaps of power, no problems doing whatever it is that I need to be doing. And to have no cells die is amazing. So I just got a minimum warning then of 14 volts. So that was about pushing it for that hard. That was from pushing it that hard. I would imagine I'd be up around the 15 volt mark. I'm just working with callouts on my Tyrannus and a no OSD because I'm flying the KISS. I'm aware that I could sort out some things to get an OSD cranking, but I don't really care too much about it. Just got my second 14 volt call out. Now the other thing to mention is that while I've been flying these packs, I have been, for lack of a better word, abusing them. I will get call outs saying 13.5, 13 volts all the time. So packs haven't been babied by any stretch of the word. And alright, we're starting to get a fairly constant call out, so that might be the end of our pack now. We'll bring it in and see what we got. Alright, final voltage 15.1. Got a 2-minute and 20-second flight, or somewhere thereabouts. Not complaining at all. I am very happy with these packs thus far.